Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is obviously check that it's clear, which we've done. Alright, now once you put the slide forward, do not fire the action. What you're going to do is apply it safe, because you need to have the hammer cocked for when you punch your pins out. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our trigger mech, and the way we're going to do that is just with a screwdriver. Alright, we're going to punch. Alright, punch your pins out, and then your trigger mech pull straight out. If you want to know how to change the spring in this, I'll link it in the description below. But you don't really do much else about stripping out your trigger mech. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is remove our tube mag. Now you can do this before or after taking the trigger mech out, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so we're going to flip the rifle over. Alright, we're going to take out this flathead screw here. It's only a short one. And it does have a little nylon washer on it as well. Alright, underneath here, we're going to take off that screw, which is a Phillips head. Alright, so once we've got these two screws out, this one here and this one here, what we're going to do is grab the foregrip like that. So we're grabbing the barrel, it's easy if you just hook your fingers over the sight. Grab the barrel, grab the foregrip, give it a bit of a shake and pull. And you're going to separate the receiver from all of this. Your bolt just slides straight out. Put your flat tip through the side of the chamber here. Up to the front here, you can get this part here to come out. Well, you can, if you really want, take that screw out there, and then you can take off your action arm. But there's no real need if you're just going to be doing some cleaning. So there you go, that's stripping the weapon down. I'll give this a quick clean and then we'll put it all back together. Alright, so let's put this back together. So we've got our barrel here. Alright, so we need to put this part back in. So we've got the fork end here. Alright, it's going to go down inside. So press that, push it down and in. So it's almost coming across like that. With a little bit of gentle persuasion. Alright, go back down. It's going to sit flush. Alright, and you can see that the fork part, I hope you can see that, it's a bit hard to see, fork part's down inside that end. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is we're going to get our bolt. Alright, so this way we'll slide straight in. Get your action arm and it should sit in that gap just there. Alright, we're then going to grab our receiver, place the bolt into the receiver, push down on the action arm to get under that lip, and as we pulled it off, slide it back in just like that. We're going to put our screws back in. So the first one to put back in is this one under here, and then we're placing our grub screw, making sure that the washer is on. Alright, don't do this one up too tight because you will strip it out. Alright, so it should be all good to go. I should be able to slide that straight past that screw with no dramas. Okay, let's put our trigger mech back in. We're going to place it with this long end in first. You may need to wiggle it around a bit to get it to line up. Line your holes up. Right, so our back holes are lined at the moment, so I'll put the back pin in first. Right, sitting flush. Right, next pin in here. Alright, sitting nice and flush like that. Replace the magazine tube. And there you have it. Your 572 is now completely reassembled.